national dialogues are an opportunity for countries to bring together many ministries as well as local partners and other CSOs and organizations that would help to put together a strong set of GEF projects and a portfolio.
This is the first time in GEF history that countries has full flexibility to use their GEF resources across multiple conventions, and that is why the GEF-8 rollout workshop are critical and very important, meaning that we will help countries to maximize the GEF resources. So the GEF is there right next to the countries in providing strategic finance that can mobilize domestic resources, that can enhance domestic policies, and also very importantly, that can bring civil society and private sector as part of the solution for climate, biodiversity loss, and the land degradation.
Siklus ke-8 GEF merupakan bukti perjalanan panjang GEF sejak tahun 92 sampai sekarang. Dan itu merupakan bukti kepercayaan global, terutama konvensi di bidang perlindungan dan pengelolaan lingkungan hidup, kepada GEF, Global Environmental Facilities, untuk mengelola pendanaan-pendanaan yang diperuntukkan untuk membantu negara-negara pihak bagi pencapaian tujuan konvensi-konvensi tersebut.
Event ini penting, terutama untuk orang kementerian, karena kita perlu tahu yang mana yang penting dan prioritasnya apa, supaya untuk dalam waktu pelaksanaan nanti tepat kena sasaran.
So really, the Indonesia National Dialogue is a stakeholder consultation, it's a planning meeting, it's a meeting to better understand the GEF-8 strategy, and spent both in a learning mode, a listening mode, and starting to better understand requirements and a path forward for planning for GEF-8.
Menurut kami, ini adalah satu pembelajaran, baik itu untuk sesama proyek maupun kementerian dan lembaga, juga CSO, dunia usaha, dan juga sebetulnya terutama stakeholder yang memang akan membuat suatu keputusan proyek, di mana dalam hal ini yang memang harus sesuai dengan kriteria dan indikator yang ada di dalam GEF sendiri.
The government of Indonesia actually invited many projects, GEF projects in Indonesia, to provide the opportunity for other participants and GEF Secretariat staff to get to know the projects better.
Kita menampilkan 19 contoh proyek-proyek GEF di Indonesia. Semuanya punya keunikan, semuanya bisa menjawab tantangan yang berbeda-beda. Karena Indonesia adalah negara mega biodiversity, kita punya banyak sekali keanekaragaman hayati, kita juga diberkahi banyak sekali keragaman ekosistem yang menjadi sumber pembelajaran atau bisa menjadi sumber pembelajaran untuk negara-negara yang lain.
From the GEF funded, we already gathered some very useful lessons learned, best practices, and success stories, both from Indonesia and from Timor-Leste, which we share through website, social media, and also at different forums at the national, regional, and at global level.
For me, it was incredibly powerful to be able to get to know the Indonesia GEF projects better understanding the types of activities that they're undertaking through these learning stations and through the exhibitors who came.
The Indonesian portfolio should become kind of the gold standard for the GEF, because Indonesia really maximized the GEF resources by investing in multiple sectors. They work on solar grids and solar energy solutions. They work on plastic and waste. They work in protecting the habitat of the tigers and the elephants in Indonesia. And yes, of course, they work a lot on marine conservation, on reef protection, and mangrove restoration.
This is the start of GEF-8, and we really look forward to working closely with countries over the next 4 years to meet your ambitious national goals and commitments under multilateral environmental agreements.
Tantangan selalu berubah setiap saat, tapi saya percaya dengan modal yang ada, kita akan naik tingkat. Jadi harapan kami adalah selain scaling up, juga broaden stakeholders, karena no matter you strong you are, no matter how powerful you are, you need to collaborate with others.